Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the classical way of sourcing products online manually. And the process is very similar to retail arbitrage, but instead of going physically into the stores, you will be just walking into online stores and searching for products manually, which you can then sell on Amazon for a profit. And here I'm on Argos website, but you can do this process with any website. If you're in the States, you can do it with Walmart, Target and other stores. In the UK, you can do it, as you can see, with Argos, Tesco and any other online stores. And when you normally do manual sourcing, you would be first of all going into clearance section, and then here you can start looking for products right on this page, or you can select a category in which you want to find products. I like selling products in toys category, and if I go into toys, then I can just browse the products. And what you would be normally doing, you would be picking products like, for example, this one, and then selecting and copying the title, and then going into Amazon and pasting that title into the search box. And as you can see, we have found the product here, and the current price is £49, which gives us great profit. So if I click on it, and if you have any product which help you in your analysis like Keepa, so use Keepa charts to see how well the product has been selling, or if you have extensions like Seller Amp SaaS or Buybot Pro, then you can also see some details in those widgets as well. So if I enter 15, which is the price at Argos, you can see that I can make a profit of £18.51, which is more than 100% ROI, which is quite great. And we can see that Amazon is not selling the product. Here you can see Amazon is not selling the product either, but the problem with this particular product is that there is no sales rank, so we don't know whether it is going to be selling for us well or not. So in this case, I would avoid buying that product because there is no sales rank for this one. But you probably understand the process, how you do that. Quite often, this is how it is explained in most trainings or on YouTube videos. But for me personally, to save the time, I don't really like to copy titles from here and then go to Amazon. What you can do, you can use your Seller app. As you can see, I'm logged into my Seller app on my mobile, and if I click on the camera button on my mobile, now I can scan products directly from the web page. So you can see that here is a list of products which are being sold on Amazon, and you can see that we can buy that product on Argos for £26.99, and there are some items which you can sell with pretty good sales rank, which is 70,000 sales rank, which you can sell for almost £60. So technically you can try to do that, but if you scroll down, you can see that there is another item which is sold for exactly the same price for £26.99. So this item is not great, but this is the process which you can use to scan products online. And as you can see, similar to retail arbitrage, you can use online arbitrage manual sourcing together with Seller app, which helps you to speed up the process. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.